Hi, I'm Anna from Stokke. Today I'm here to share a little bit about the Stokke Clikk High Chair. The Stokke Clikk High Chair was designed to address all parent needs all in one box. Beautifully designed with all smooth lines, no crevices to clean out, you can be ready for easier, cleaner meal times in just 1, 2, 3 click. The Stokke Clikk High Chair assembles and disassembles in under 1 minute, tool-free. It's easy to wipe clean with removable tray, footrest, and legs. The ergonomic seat ensures healthy child development, and the footrest ensures a perfect 90-degree angle from hip to knee to foot. The tray goes right into the dishwasher and is easily removable, and the 5-point harness releases in one touch and is also easily removed and can go right into the washing machine. The footrest has 2 positions so it can grow with your child from 6 months to about 33 pounds or 3 years. And there you have it, the Stokke Clikk High Chair, ready for easier, cleaner meal times in just 1, 2, 3 click.